Swadika everyone! Monday! New recipe! In Thailand, we're not really into Halloween. It starts to be celebrated here and there, but not that much. However, even if I'm 1 week late, I wanted to do something related to Halloween for you guys. So, today I am going to cook traditional Thai dessert with pumpkin. The name is Sangkaya Fak Thong. It is sweet custard stuffed into a whole pumpkin that will be steamed. Are you ready? Let's go! Today we don't need much ingredients. We need coconut milk, salt, duck eggs, chicken eggs, hazelnut leaf, palm sugar, and of course pumpkin. You have to open the top of pumpkin with a knife. So, start cleaning the topper. Use a spoon to clean out the pumpkin seeds. Make sure you clean your pumpkin perfectly inside, but also outside, since you can also eat pumpkin skin.
It can't happen.
Okay, now that the pumpkin is ready, let's start the custard. Put eggs in the big bowl. Mix it well. Then, add coconut milk, palm sugar, salt, and hazelnut leaf. Quick tip, if you want to make your life easier, put the palm sugar in microwave 1 minute before mixing. You have to mix everything very well and squeeze the hazelnut leaf so it gives a good smell to the custard. Pay extra attention to palm sugar. It has to be perfectly mixed with the rest.
You are going on a run.
Is it okay now? Is your custard smooth enough? So now I will use strainer to filter the remaining to big chunk. By doing that, you have an even more smooth custard. Now pour the custard into the pumpkin. Boil water in your steamer. Once it's hot, cook your pumpkin and switch to medium heat. Cook for 45 minutes.
Can't happen.
Ta-da! Now you are wondering, right? What? This is not the same pot? And you are right, because my pumpkin was a quite big one. So it takes time to cook it. I cooked it for 1.5 hours. I strongly advise you to shoot a smaller pumpkin. Then it was a night time, too dark to continue filming. So I just decided to leave it in the fridge to setting the custard. So let's cut it. Be very gentle with your pumpkin. me. When, unlike me, you don't fail. You can either serve the whole pumpkin and cut it on the table or cut it before. If you ask me, I prefer cutting it before. Like that, if you mess up, nobody knows. It's a good example of real life. When you cook, sometimes it will fail. It happens. Anyway, please subscribe if you haven't already. Leave a comment. I really like reading and talking with you guys. Share to your friends, family, pets, neighbor, everyone. And shop that like button. Happy Halloween! Thank you for watching. See you next Monday. Pumpkin Club. Bye bye.
Get scratching.
Well, it's not a custard. It's more like a cream, but it's still good. I like it.